name of our business is Miracle Landscape Services in Theodore, Alabama.
We work in Mobile and Baldwin counties, commercial, residential.
Probably a 70-30 split, 70 commercial, 30 residential. This is our second year to do the Festival of Flowers as Miracle. I've done it 4 other times in the past, but had very little to do with it.
I feel like that Festival of Flowers brings a great advertisement for the company, and people ask lots of questions about the certain flowers and plants, and will this work in my yard? And some just say, I need you to come do a whole new landscape, and I want it to look like this. So we're like, all right, great.
Open your checkbook. As much blooming flowers as we can find, and it's 100% what we want to do. There's unlike a job where somebody's critiquing what you're doing and telling you how to do it. It's 100% the way we want to do it and the look that we want to have.
I liked the Dutch theme to begin with, but as I researched, and I was like, oh, I'm not real sure how we're going to do this. So we decided to go with the wishing well. We wanted to do something different besides the windmill or water. So I came up with the wishing well.
The crush and run, we used it just last year. We did sod, and it looked like the rest of the grass out here by the time the show was over. And this year especially, ours is a little bit different than it was last year because we have an entrance and an exit, or a way in and a way out from 2 different sides, where last year when you came in, you came out the same way. It was a dead end, but we didn't want to do pavers, we didn't want to do bricks, and just the crush and run was just something simple and easy. First and foremost thing that definitely sets us apart is we have a girl in the office that answers the phone. You're not leaving a message for somebody that may or may not call you back tonight or tomorrow or the next day. We generally get to see people within 24 hours after we make contact with them, and then in most cases we'll have them a price, inside of 3 or 4 days if it's, not too complicated of something.
And the quality. I'm big on the quality of work that we do.
But we've met a lot of people, not so much once the show started, but over the course of Saturday, Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, putting it all together was when somebody wanted to borrow this, or somebody wanted to borrow that, or we wanted to borrow something.
And you get to meet
and
the
I
other
met
workers.
you. I wouldn't have known you had I not been here.
Yeah, and you get to meet the other workers, and to me it feels like a little community. We're a competition, but we all come together to make this beautiful.